How to transfer your information to WordPress on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your information to WordPress on Facebook mobile. First thing we're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just click this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then just click next and go down and click this one, WordPress, and now just manage here anything you want and then click next. And now all you need to do is just connect your Facebook with WordPress, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.